In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rive in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project and head to the page where you want the animation to live. Make sure you're in the designer so you can place and configure elements in context with the rest of your layout. Open the Add panel and scroll to the Media section. From there, insert the Rive element onto your canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear, then click to select the Rive placeholder on the page so its settings are available in the right sidebar. With the element selected, open the Rive settings. This is where you'll configure how the animation behaves. Start by using the Preview Animation control to confirm everything is loading and playing as expected. Next, choose the specific animation you want to run. If your Rive file includes multiple artboards, pick the correct artboard so you're referencing the right canvas. If your file uses state machines, select the state machine that contains the logic you want to drive interactivity or transitions. Move down to Layout. Set Fit to control how the animation scales inside its box. Use the option that best preserves your composition while adapting to different screen sizes. Then set Align so the animation anchors left, center, or right, and top, middle, or bottom, depending on your design. Toggle Autoplay if you want the animation to start as soon as the page loads. If you see any remaining switches, click through them to match the behavior you intend, and then choose Show All Settings to expand anything that's collapsed so you don't miss useful controls. Now jump into the Style panel to refine presentation. Adjust width and height so the Rive element fits your layout, add margin or padding for breathing room, and set responsive values so it scales cleanly on tablets and phones. If you're applying a class, confirm your styles are saved to that class so updates remain consistent across instances. Open the Interactions panel to connect page or element triggers with your Rive element if needed. This is helpful when you want motion to respond to scroll, hover, or clicks. Use Preview to test interactions and timing without leaving the designer. When everything looks and feels right, click Publish to push your changes live to your selected domain. Give the page a quick check on desktop and mobile to confirm the animation loads, fits, and plays as intended. And that's it. Your Rive animation is now integrated into